Okay, today we are going to see the topic interface. Normally in C#.NET, there is no multiple inheritance concept with classes. Means in C#.NET you cannot inherit multiple classes to make multiple inheritance. That's why interfaces are introduced. Interface contains declaration of methods. Means interface contains the signature of methods, we can call simply declaration of signature. Interface methods are by default, methods means functions. Interface functions are by default public. The class which is derived from the interface has to define all the methods of interface. This is the concept of interface. If you see a small example of interface in this program, here we are creating the interface with the name area. Area is the interface. This area interface is having the method c underscore area, means circle underscore area. It is get taking the parameter, double type parameter for radius. This function can return double type value. Here in this interface we are not mentioning public keyword. Though we don't mention public keyword, it is by default public. Interface methods are by default public. Then what we are doing, from area interface we are creating class with the name circle. In the circle class we are defining the method of interface. Means circle class may have its own methods definitions, own function definitions, and it should contain the definition of all interface methods. Interface, if interface is having, for example, it is having three methods of declaration, all those three methods should be defined in the class, derived class. It is the concept. Okay, here in this class we are defining that c underscore area method. To that method we are giving double type parameter. Its name is r. It is r means radius. In this you are writing 3.14 into r into r, means you are calculating pi r square formula. Then that answer we are returning from this function. Okay, this is the definition of the c underscore area function. This function declaration is in the interface, definition is in this circle class. Then in the main function, in the main method, we are creating variable of, we are creating object of the class. Okay, object, see here, new space circle of, new space circle of, you are calling constructor of circle, means you are creating object of the circle class. But in front of that equal to, you are writing area type variable c obj, means the parent variable can hold child address. It is the concept of dynamic polymorphism. Okay, area is the base interface. That base can hold the address of a derived circle object is circle derived class. Area is the parent interface, means base interface. Okay, base variable can hold the address of a derived class object. That's why area space cobj equal to new circle of. Then by that object, with the help of that object, you are calling the method c underscore area. To that method you are passing the value 2. Means you are finding 3.14 into 2 into 2. And you are calculating that formula and returning the answer. That answer is adding to area is string. String area is the string. To the string you are adding the answer and showing. This is the program of the interface. Means in this program you are seeing only one interface. Means you are inheriting only one interface. You are writing class circle colon area. You are inheriting only one interface. As I told you that interface uh, means you can inherit multiple interfaces. I told you previously, but here we are inheriting only one interface. We see one more example, which is in inheriting multiple interfaces. Okay, first of all, Now, if you see the output of this current program, what is the output? Output is the area is uh, answer, whatever answer it may be. Means 3.14 into 2. The answer will show. Before that, you get the message area is. If you see one more program here, you are creating inter1 interface. Inter1 is having one more point I would like to tell you in this previous program. See, while defining the function in cycle class, you see here you wrote public double c underscore area of double r. Public keyword you wrote. But while you declare in the interface, you are not writing public keyword in the interface. See, interface area in that you wrote double space c underscore area. In front of double, there is no public keyword. That means by default, interface functions are public. Interface in C#. .NET interface doesn't support data members. Okay. Next, if you while you define the function in class, you are writing public keyword because class members are not by default public. Class members are by default private. While you define that function, CNS area in the circle class, if you don't write public, what happens? That function become private. So that you will get the message that interface method is not defined. It is thinking that this method is different one. That's why you need to mention public keyword in front of the function definition. Okay. Next, if you see this second example, here inter1 is the interface. It is having the method display one declared. This method is declared. This function is declared. Why display one off? In front of it, there is no public keyword, but by default interface method is member is public. That's why no need to write the public keyword in front of this function display one. Just one more interface you are creating. In that interface, you are putting the method display to. You wrote wide display to off. You are declaring display to method function in this inter to interface. Here also you are not mentioning public keyword because by default this method also public. Now here in this program you are having two interfaces. One is the inter one, second is the inter two. Now what you are doing? You are creating class C from inter one and inter two. You are creating class from inter one and inter two. Means you are inheriting two interfaces to this class C. Okay, so in this class C, you need to define all methods, all functions of inter1 as well as inter2. In this C class, you should define all functions of inter1 as well as inter2. Okay, that's why you are defining the method display1 in this C class by writing public void display1 off. Public keyword you are putting there because interface methods are by default interface functions are by default public, but class functions are by default private. If you don't put public, meaning will be changed. That's why you are mentioning the public keyword, public void display one off. There in this display one function you are putting the definition, that is display one called one, that message will be shown. Next, you are defining display two function. This function belongs to inter2, but that inter2 is also inherited to C class. That's why you are defining display two also here. By writing public void display two. Here in this function definition, you are writing console.writeLine of display to call. Okay, these two methods we defined here in this class. Then we need to create object of C class. Then we can call the members. That's why I'm showing that thing in next slide. That is public here class program. In this main function is there COBJ means we are creating C class object. Here at the place of C you can see here you are having two interface. That's why you are creating variable of a class child derived class. C space obj equal to new C of. Okay, C class object you have created. Then you call the methods display one display two with this object. Means you will get the message display one called. Next you will get the message display to call. Display one call you get from obj dot display one off. Display to call message you will get by obj dot display to off. In that manner, you are creating the programs. Finally, what I am going to tell you, interface is compulsory in programming language because this C#.NET is not supporting multiple inheritance with classes because there is a drawback of inheriting multiple classes. There will be wastage of memory as well as duplication of members. That's why to overcome those things, interfaces are introduced. So you can create any number of interfaces. You can uh, use any number of interfaces. This is the concept of interfaces.